Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove any other devices or how to sign out of Amazon on any other devices. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, as you can see, I'm using the desktop version of Amazon for this, and as far as I'm aware, you do need to use the desktop version for this. It will not work on mobile or any other devices, so make sure that you are logged in on your PC so that you can control any other devices you might have. And yeah, I'm in Amazon, logged in as you can see on Opera, and what I want to do to check any other devices that I might have logged in on to Amazon, what you want to do is go to your profile, and you do that by going over here and hovering over this middle button here. It is between the returns and orders and the language selection buttons, and just hover over that and you will get this list. Now from this list you can go to your account and you can view a lot of different things. However, what you want to do is go into content and devices. Once you're here, you will be taken to content, and then you will be able to view any content here, such as Amazon Music. However, what you want to do is go to your devices tab. Now, once you are here, you will have the option of viewing all your devices. As you can see, you can view Amazon devices, Amazon apps, non-Amazon devices, and so on and so forth. Last registered, make sure all time is selected so that you can see all the devices you're registered to. Then just select the device, click deregister, and your device will be removed. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.